crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for being here as we continue to unbox or open, I guess, the presents and that from Lynn over at Soft Squares over in Utah. So I am doing the 2025 Holiday Advent Box B as in boy. She did do two boxes. I'm doing B, which has all 25 days in it. And we are on day 6. And how we are on day 6 is beyond me, guys. It's like, how fast is this month already going? Before we know it, we will be here at Christmas. So, without further ado, let's open day 6. All right. Interesting. Oh, so it came in a vinyl bag, which I appreciate. And one thing that I really do like about Lynn is she did put a personal note. So yeah, it's not handwritten. I mean, it's mimeographed is what we used to say in the old days. But yeah, it's copied. But at the end of the day, she did write each one of this to give us a little heads up about what and why she picked what she did. So let's get into the vinyl zip bag. I actually don't have but one of these. And the one I have is actually a Tula, which I know that comes as a surprise. But she says B Box Day 6. This is one of my favorite projects in this year's box. You will need the light box that we got yesterday to make this very easy. Now, one of the things one of the viewers did hit me up and say, hey, you didn't tell me how much yesterday's um, box was worth. Lynn is giving us every day a look at what she uh, is telling us what the retail value is of what she's included. Yesterday's little light template, light square, that light box, I guess, was she valued that at $16, which I'm really surprised. I know it's miniature, but I still would have thought it was at least $25. But she says it's $16. So I feel good about the pricing that she's giving us. But, anyways, this is day 6. This is a project. You're getting everything you need to create an 18 by 18-inch block, which you can use in a wall hanging or quilt with additional fabrics. The additional fabric in the kit will allow you to make a large throw pillow. So let's see what's in here. So she gave us, um, right, so she gave us, like soft and stable or something. Oh, this is heat and bond. She gave us so much of heat and bond. She gave me a Quilter's Choice, Roseanne's Quilter's Choice pencil. So it looks white. What else is in here? And then the fabric. Oh, Lynn is a girl after my own heart. So look at this, this blue speckled. So it again, it's in more of that navy tone with light blue, which I don't do a lot of blue. So it's kind of nice that she's given us a couple of things with the blue. But look at this fabric, guys. You know me and Tula and K Facet. I am just a fanatic. This one is, oh, it's a panel, and it says instructions you will need approximately half a yard of double-sided fusible webbing, iron, mat, sewing machine, and threads and fabric scissors. So let's open this up and see what this looks like. All right, so that's the contrast, the back of it. Look at this dog. Oh my God, I've been doing so much stuff for my niece, who's a big cat lover now, but I am in love with this dog. So, because I'm a dog person at the end of the day. So, really nice that she gave us a project like this. I have not seen this, so it's really been nice and fun because she really is giving me a lot of unique things that I have not seen, that I've not been able to purchase. And so that really just has made this box even more special for me this year. So, guys, she values today's box at $29. So far, I am more than getting the value, I believe, for the $300+ that I invested. She says at the end, all of this totals over $600. But I am super, super happy with this. I like the fact that I just got another vinyl bag. The fact that she did throw in the heat and bond makes it nice that we have everything to do the project, plus the marking pencil in that. So again, so far for 6 days, I've been happy with everything. Everything's been completely different. Nothing's replicated as far as stuff that I already had. Most of it's stuff I didn't even know existed. So that even makes the box more special. So, with that said, thanks for dropping in. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Tell your friends, neighbors, and anyone that'll listen about Guys Craft 2 and what we are doing. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.